Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Docker engine on Debian version 11.3. Docker is an open platform tool that provides a container runtime environment. Using Docker, developers can build, ship and run their codes as a container on premises and in the cloud. Containers are spun up using OS level virtualization in Docker. A Docker engine is a host on which Docker is installed and containers are spun up. First I will check the OS version. I am used to Debian version 11. Next update the apt source list. Next update the apt list upgradable. Now I am run the following apt commands to install the Docker dependency packages. Next configure the Docker repository. Next execute the echo command to configure the official Docker repository. Again update the apt source list. Next install the Docker engine by using following commands. Once the Docker is installed successfully, verify the version and service status by running. The Docker version is 20.10.17. Next now I am going to start the Docker using systemctl command. Now check the status from the Docker. The Docker can be active state. Next verify the Docker installation. To verify the Docker installation, try to spin up the hello world containers and see whether the information message is displayed or not. Above the information message confirm that Docker is installed and working properly. This is the installation steps for Docker on Debian version 11.3 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.